5 seconds. As per the report of the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways 2017, there are about 5 lakh road accidents occur in India every year, in which around 1.5 lakh people are killed. There are about around 1.4 lakh around people died in 2018 in the road accidents, with Uttar Pradesh registering the maximum spike in fatalities. So, in order to prevent the menace of road accidents, the central government has amended the Motor Vehicle 1988 by the Motor Vehicles Amendment Bill 2019. Motor Vehicles Amendment Act 2019 has been implemented throughout the country since September 1, 2019. Now, the penalty has been increased 10 times on various violations. The debate often revolves around how to minimize road accidents by incorporating deterrents into laws and ignores the interests of the victims. The discourse concerning the Motor Vehicles Amendment Act 2019 has only followed this trend, as is evidenced by the disproportionate press coverage given to the enhanced penalties to be levied on offenders. Compensation for road accident victims. The bill increases the minimum compensation for hit and run cases as follows: in case of death, from rupees 25,000 to 2 lakh rupees, and in case of grievous injury, from rupees 12,500 to rupees 50,000. Recall of vehicles. The new bill allows the central government to order for recall of defective motor vehicles which may harm the environment or the driver or the other road users. The National Road Safety Board will be created by the central government to advise the central and state governments on all aspects of road safety and traffic management. The new bill has increased fines for several offences under the Act. Now the fine is increased from rupees 2,000 to rupees 10,000, along with imprisonment of 6 months. On the repetition of this act, fine would be rupees 15,000. Rash driving will cost fine of rupees 5,000. Earlier it was rupees 1,000. Driving without driving license will be fined rupees 5,000 instead of rupees 500 earlier. Offense by juveniles is a new category introduced. Now, guardian of the juvenile owner of the vehicle shall be fined rupees 25,000 with 3 years imprisonment. For juvenile to be tried under Juveniles Justice Act, registration of motor vehicle shall be cancelled. If a vehicle manufacturer fails to comply with motor vehicle standards, the penalty will be a fine of rupees 100 crore or imprisonment of up to 1 year or both. If a contractor fails to comply with road design standards, the penalty will be up to rupees 1 lakh. Under section 196 of the Motor Vehicles Act 2019, driving without insurance will be fined rupees 2,000. Under the section 194D of the Act, riding without helmets will be fined to rupees 1,000 and disqualification for 3 months for license. Under section 194B of the Act, driving without seat belt will cost rupees 1,000. Speeding, racing will be fined rupees 5,000 instead of rupees 500 earlier. Under section 194E of the Act, not providing Way for emergency vehicles will cost rupees 10,000.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.